Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new drill bits.
Our drill bit set is going to include two 3/16, 4 1/4 inch, two 5/16, one 3/8, and one 1/2 inch drill bit. These drill bits are made out of carbide, which is made of industrial grade alloy YG6S, which is more advanced than YG6X. This is going to increase the wear resistance, durability, and extra long lifespan for these drill bits. The 1/4 inch hex shank is going to make these drill bits extremely simple to lock in a quick change chuck. These are going to be suitable for most common drills. This drill bit set is going to have a wide application. They're going to be ideal for drilling holes in bathroom tiles or walls. They can easily drill holes in tile, concrete, brick, glass, ceramic, granite, and even wood. To reduce cracking, use water to cool and control the speed of drilling. These carbide YG6S concrete drill bit set is going to be sharper because of their double design of cross arrow and spiral grooves. They're going to provide precise positioning and easy chip removal. They will easily penetrate a wide variety of materials.